If you want to create background art on Squarespace 7.1 using Fluid Engine, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. This is a great way to make your sections look more polished, more modern, and more visually interesting without needing any extra design software. You can use it to add subtle motion, creative texture, and a more premium feel to your site. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and website building guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the site editor, click Edit in the top left corner of the site preview. This unlocks the Fluid Engine layout, which gives you control over the content and the design of each page section. Now scroll through your page until you find the exact section where you want to add background art. This could be a hero section, a content block, a call to action area, or any other part of your page where you want to make the design stand out. When you found the right section, hover your mouse over it. You should see the floating toolbar appear. In the top right of that toolbar, click the Edit Section button, which is the pencil icon. This opens the Section Settings panel. Inside the Settings panel, look for the Background tab and click it. This is where Squarespace lets you control the background style for that section. Under the Media Type options, select Art. Once you choose Art, Squarespace will show you its built-in visual effects library. Next, click Choose Art. This opens the collection of background art styles you can apply to your section. You'll usually see a range of dynamic, animated options that can completely change the look and feel of the area. For example, Waves and Liquid creates smooth liquid ripples or ocean-style wavelines that move across the section as you scroll. This is a great choice if you want something calming, organic, and fluid. Abstract gradients blend soft colors together in a shifting animated pattern. The colors slowly morph, swirl, and transition, which gives your page a modern, stylish, and polished feel. This works especially well for creative brands, portfolios, and landing pages. Geometric and dots spreads out shifting lines, particles, or floating shapes across the section. This option gives your site a more futuristic, tech-inspired look and can work really well for startups, agencies, or product pages. Once you find an art style you like, click it to apply it to the section. After that, take a moment to preview how it looks with your text, buttons, and other content on top. If needed, you can move things around in Fluid Engine so the layout stays clean and easy to read. It's always a good idea to make sure the background art supports your content instead of overpowering it. If your section has a lot of text, choose a softer art style or adjust the section design so the text remains clear and readable. You can repeat these same steps on other sections throughout your site. If you want a consistent visual theme, that means you can create different background art styles for different pages or keep one look across your entire website for a more cohesive brand identity. And that's it. You now know how to create background art on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. It's a simple but powerful way to elevate your design and make your website feel more custom. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.